Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Youssef from Autism Has Art. Today we will start in Castaway project. We will start with Iceland. To make an Iceland or module an Iceland, there are too many ways, but we will use the icosphere method. Shift A and you can also follow up with me. My shortcuts and clicks will appear in this area. Shift A to add a mesh, icosphere, and I will have my icosphere here. It's by default I think it will come with two subdivision, but if you make it two we will not have too many vertex to make ups and downs, mountains, so on. So we will just make it three. It's completely up to you if you want to work on four or five, but remember this is a low poly count project. We will try to minimize as much as we can the poly count as shown here or around here. This is not the exact number. Okay, so I will start with 3 subdivision. Now let's S shift Z to scale it, and on the keyboard I will write 25, then enter. I will have something like that. That means 25 by 25 space. In the depth I will make SZ, let's say 3.5 maybe. I think this will be enough. Then enter. I will have something like that. Now let's go to edit mode by pressing tab. I will have this shape. Since we will make a water, so the water will cover till here, so this area will be hidden, and as I said it's low poly, so we will try to minimize the poly count. So I will delete this bottom area. To select it, just select the middle vertex, control plus plus plus, and let's delete this area. Press delete faces, and we will have something like that. Now there are two ways or more ways actually to make some ups and downs. Let's go for the first way, which is using O on your keyboard to activate the proportional editing. Shift O to choose what the type of proportional you want to use, and let's use smooth. You can also use random, but I will use smooth in the beginning. And if I come select some vertex like that, then G, with my scroll up and down I can select the effective area. Then I will move to up, something like that. The issue here is I have limited space, and if my scene camera here, and for sure it will be here because this area we will build a house, so on, so this small area there is useless. So let's do our ups and down and mountain at the end of the Iceland to better use of our limited space and to not waste any space. Control Z, and let's just select those vertex, let's say something like that. And remember, I'm showing you, and you will do something better than me. You have all the time and the patience. Now let's G, Z, and let's make it smaller to have something like that. And now G to this X, have something like that. Don't worry about this area, we will take care later. Now let's select those three, G, Z again, with a bigger and bigger maybe proportional editing to have something like that. It's up to you if you wanted to take those two and S to make it like this. then GZ to make it higher like this. It's completely up to you. I'm showing you and you do whatever you like. And now we can repeat this everywhere. Here maybe for something less higher than this, and for the right also, right this x-axis here to have something lower than this, or not that much high, but I will show you another method. Let's go to scoped mode. In scoped mode you can use the grab brush, and you can use you can make the radius or bigger or smaller radius by pressing F and move your mouse up and down. Something, let's have something like that, and you can just grab it here, there, 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 and there. Do whatever you like, make it bigger, something like that. It's completely up to you. Do whatever you like here. And some people add with the draw brush, add some geometry here. I don't like to do this, but if you wanna to, or you can accept some more poly count, you can just add it from draw brush here. But before you do this, make sure you activate this and make it not on relative, constant details, and don't use too much resolution. Maximum, use as a maximum 1 or maybe 0.5 will be acceptable. Okay, remember to turn off, it's by default mirrors here, so please turn off mirror, because if you make a mirror on X and you do something here, it will reflect the same here, and we want our geometry to be something not really symmetry, so turn this off. I like to use, as I said, the grab brush, and you can do whatever you like, something like that if you wanna, like a mountain here, or even something like that. It's completely up to you. I'm showing you and you can do your own. Now let's go back to modeling. Now I will have something like that, and I still need to do some modification here. We will build a house here, so I need a flat area. To do a flat area, just select the area, something maybe not like this, something like this, then SZ0 in your keyboard, then enter to make this area flat, so we can build a house here. Then no problem for trees, we can put it here and there, and rocks, decors, so on. We will have something like this, so we can build our house here, and you can just do some mountains here and there. Okay, for the lower part here you can just select this, make sure to press O and turn off proportional. Now let's select this and GZ to have a coverage here. We can also have some random coverage here, GZ like this, GZ, something random like this. So maybe something like that. The water will cover till here, so till this vertex, so I think we have more cover under the water, so we shouldn't worry about that. So this is how to do Iceland. For sure this is not the best, you can do your own. Next movie we will do, next lesson we will do types of trees to be in our Iceland. See you in the next